Today, I'll show you exactly how to flip or mirror a layer in Photoshop. Whether you're looking to quickly reverse a photo, create a symmetrical effect, or correct the direction of an object, this tutorial will equip you with 2 easy and dependable ways to flip any layer in just seconds. By the end, you'll confidently know how to mirror images for creative designs and practical edits. No fuss, no confusion. Let's dive right in. The first method uses Photoshop's free transform tool, which lets you manipulate your layers with a lot of flexibility. Start by heading over to your Layers panel. This is usually found on the right side of your workspace. Find the image or artwork layer you want to flip and simply click to select it. This step is crucial because Photoshop can only flip the layer you're actively working on. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, don't worry. Just click the correct one and keep going. Once your layer is selected, the magic shortcut is Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on a Mac. This activates free transform, and you'll see a bounding box pop up around your layer. The transform handles let you resize, rotate, or distort, but we're going to use them for flipping. Here's a gentle tip. If you don't see the box, double-check that your layer is visible and unlocked. Now, here's where things get interesting. Right-click anywhere inside the selection box. Don't click outside, or you might lose your transform settings. The context menu appears, and you'll see 2 extremely useful options: flip horizontal and flip vertical. If you want to mirror your layer left to right, like flipping a book page, choose flip horizontal. If you'd rather flip it upside down, like turning a photograph face down, select flip vertical. These options work perfectly for things like reflected water, symmetrical portraits, or reversing the direction of a graphic. After you've chosen your flip direction, take a moment to preview the transformation. If it looks right, simply press Enter or click the check mark up in the options bar at the top of the screen. This will commit the changes to your layer. If you're not happy with the flip, you can always hit Escape to cancel and try again. The undo button is always your friend in Photoshop. Now, let's check out the second method. This one's even simpler, especially for viewers who prefer navigating menus over keyboard shortcuts. Once again, make sure you've selected the layer you want in your Layers panel. Then, look up to the very top and click on the Edit menu. In the drop-down, find the Transform submenu. This is where Photoshop keeps all its shape-shifting tools. Hover your mouse over Transform, and you'll see Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical as options. Click the option you need, and Photoshop will instantly mirror your layer. No extra steps required. This method is great if you're working on a tablet, or if shortcuts aren't your style. A quick tip: these flips don't work on locked background layers, so if you hit a snag, just double-click the layer to unlock it first, and that's all there is to it. Both methods give you flexible control over your layer's orientation, and they're powerful tools for photo editing, design layouts, and creative experimentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Got questions or need help troubleshooting? Drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Photoshop tips. See you in the next video.